Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy pair of earrings featuring TierraCast charms and Nunn design earring hooks. And of course, the feature of them is a little puppy dog and a dog house. So this is kind of a fun little tip is you don't always have to make your charms match. You can use ones which just are on theme with each other. And it's a fun, interesting way to create a pair of earrings. There's also this little bone that we could have used if we wanted to. So you see the pair in gold already done. Now I'm going to do it in silver. And all you need is actually just one pair of chain nose pliers. I had a second one on my table here, but you really just need one. And all you're going to do is open up this little loop, and you're going to slide on that charm facing forward and close the loop. Now this charm does look super cute on the back as well. And we're going to do that for this one too. And close it back up. Now, if you wanted to put anything as a little link between these guys, you sure could. We have lots of different items at Beadaholique.com, and that would be a fun way of adding to these, but I think they look really nice just in their metal form as well. Now, not to leave out the cat lovers, TierraCast also has some adorable little kitty cat charms that we have made into some earrings as well. And if you check out Beadaholique.com or you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll see how to make this pair of earrings as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy DIY tutorial.